Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 reasons that you should switch to Xcelerate today. The first reason is that Xcelerate has a super fast learning curve. In our experience, getting your staff to actually learn and adopt a new software platform can be really tough, and that's why we've designed Xcelerate a little differently. Our promise is that 20 minutes or less of training will get you the fundamentals of Xcelerate, get you up and running, so it's easy for everyone, even the most technology challenged of employees. And I think we're there. That's our clients, that's what they're telling us, and so I think we've gotten there. The second reason would be time tracking. While we're not the first to do time tracking, we've chosen a very different approach. We've started with mobile geolocation as a primary building block. When your technician arrives to a job site in Xcelerate, activities and tasks are going to begin automatically. Dates are going to get marked, job workflows are going to get updated, and you're going to track your drive time even separately than the job site time. So your job costing's all going to be updated in real time, and you're able to even track your responsiveness to getting to that job automatically without people having to manually click buttons or check boxes or any of those things. And the crazy thing is, we're not done with geolocation. So we've got a lot of plans on how we'd like to take it and where we want to go with it. And so we're really excited to kind of take that next step with the geolocation technology that's already part of our platform today. The third reason is that we've built a very, very good mobile app. Mobile technology is the standard now, and nearly everything you can do on the web version of Xcelerate can be done on the mobile app, and it's sometimes even faster. Documentation from the crews has never been easier or more standard, which that's always been tough in restoration, is to get a standard. Well, we've made it a lot easier to standardize what that looks like for your crews out in the field, and it's adding notes automatically for them as they go through their daily activities. So documents being signed, forms being filled out, clocking in and out is super easy and straightforward process that we've made just a couple touches for them out on the mobile. So we've built it easy to use from day one. Every new release, we've made a point to make it easier and more intuitive and more user-friendly, and we're not really planning on stopping anytime soon. The fourth reason is KPIs, or key performance indicators. All the biggest and brightest companies or organizations in the world are tracking KPIs religiously, and they report on them on a pretty consistent basis to their staff. So the question is, why don't restorers do it? And the thing is, most restorers don't even know what a KPI is. And the reason is that most of the platforms or whatever systems they're using, they're just not tracking it. And so this is this huge void for restoration companies to try to understand how their business is doing, because there just aren't any ways for them to kind of look at their business with these key important metrics. And just as important as tracking your KPIs is making sure that you're picking the right ones. And in Xcelerate, you can actually pick and choose which KPIs matter to you. And if the particular KPI that you want isn't in the system, let us know. We'll be happy to throw it in there. So at the end of the day, the way it should work is, as the KPIs are improving, your business is growing and becoming more profitable. And if not, then it's probably the wrong KPIs that you're looking at. The final reason to switch to Xcelerate is reporting. And in order to bring real value to the data that's being entered, through the mobile and the web, you're going to need to interpret all that information that's being entered so that you can understand how that actually affects your entire business. The good news is with Xcelerate is that it actually helps you with that interpretation. So you don't have to be the mastermind behind it all. Xcelerate can do some of that. You can summarize the information, analyze trends, research valuable financial insights and referral information to help proactively drive decision making for you, and that will ultimately lead in you becoming more profitable and growing in the future. And so there you have it, 5 reasons to switch to Xcelerate today. There's so many other reasons, so I'm not gonna, cut the list short just with 5. What I'd recommend is schedule a demo, see what it actually can do, ask questions, ask your neighbors, ask other restorers, and let's get the word out there about this new platform that we built. Thanks, guys.